So what we're going to show you is a little video clip of something that has never happened to me before. Everybody loves Facebook Marketplace. So I had my truck for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and I agreed to meet the guy down in town to take a look at it. He had made me an offer over Marketplace, and I didn't even acknowledge it, didn't do anything with it. But anyway, so went down to town, met him, they looked over the truck, they wanted it, but his offer that he gave me was $1,000 less than what I wanted to take. And so he said, "So you're good with my offer?" And I said, "No." And so he said, "Well, that's what I want to give." And so I said, I asked for another $500. And he's like, "No." And so anyways, we went back and forth, bantered back and forth, and it was all in good fun. And he's a younger guy, you'll see in the video. His name's Ray. And anyways, so we're going back and forth, and I'm going to the 500 mark. He's dropping off 500, and we're going back and forth. He goes, so finally he says, "How about we do rock, paper, scissors?" And I'm like, okay, all right, let's do rock, paper, scissors. And in the video, I keep calling it paper, rock, scissors or whatever. But anyways, I meant rock, paper, scissors. So we agreed to do rock, paper, scissors. But then what he said to me is he said, okay, instead of the $500 difference, we'll go back to your full number that you wanted. And if we get it, if he wins, he gets it for the $1,000 off. If I get it for the full price that I wanted. So anyways, so that's the clip you're gonna see. This is incredible. Are you filming?
Yes.
This is incredibly bad financial advice. This young man has told me he will do paper, rock, scissors to give me $1,000 more. So is it? I haven't done paper, rock, scissors in forever. This is bad financial advice. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3,
and then go.
Okay, let me step back so I can see both of y'all.
3, and then do it.
1, 2.
How many times do we have to do it?
Best of 3
Best
times.
of 3. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
Yeah,
This
best of 3.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Yeah.
Paper, rock, scissors. All right.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
That sounds good.
He did what?